Alright, so other than operating systems and utility programs, okay, as a part of system software, okay, we also have a device drivers and also language translators, okay. So we will go one by one. So what is a device drivers? Okay, so a device driver is software that contains a set of instructions that command a computer's operating system on how to communicate with the hardware so that it can function properly. So, device drivers allow communication between the operating system and all the devices, such as the mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. Okay, so the field of IT is always changing. Okay, so it will be impossible to create an operating system that knows how each device functions and works. Okay, especially devices those that have not yet been invented. Okay, so it is for this reason, okay, that each hardware manufacturer is responsible for developing drivers for their own manufacturer devices. Okay, all right, so our next slide, okay, is about language translators. Okay, so we know that the processors are digital devices and use machine code. So we know that humans find it hard to write in a machine code, all right, so preferring instead to write in a high level language. Okay, so a high level language program, however, is not in machine code, okay, and therefore the processor cannot run the program as it stands. Okay, so it needs to translate it. Okay, so when a program is written in a high level language, so it has to be converted into machine code instructions so that the processor can actually run it. Okay, so this is the job of a translator program. Okay, so a translator program takes the original high level language program, which is more commonly called the source code or the source file, and then convert it into the equivalent machine code instructions. Okay, so the converted code is commonly known as the object code. So this object code can be run by a computer's processor.